Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and we will go ahead and set it up together. First of all, this is the phone from the front and this is what it looks like from the back. We have it in the light green. The camera looks pretty fancy, it looks pretty nice, and now we'll go ahead and get started. We got welcomed here. You can make emergency calls and set some vision settings, and we will click on start. Insert a SIM card. We will have a separate video for that, so we're gonna skip this part right now. And now we're gonna choose our language. English, United Kingdom is just fine, so we'll go with that. For your review, check out the privacy policy to see how we manage your data. I agree to the end user license agreement. I agree to the sending of diagnostic data, or I agree to all. I'm going to say I agree to end user license agreement and say I agree. Set up using another device to copy settings, accounts and more from another phone or tablet. Keep it nearby and unlocked. Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad, and you can say skip. If you click on one of the devices here, it will go with you through the next steps, so you can set it up using another device. We're gonna skip this one, and now we can connect to our Wi-Fi. Now we're connected. Searching for a eSIM. We do not have that. We also do not connect to a mobile network now. We have a separate video for that, so skip. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts and more. We're also not going to do that because we don't have a device that we want to copy apps and data from, and also it's nice to just start fresh again, so we say don't copy. Now we can sign into our Google account. We need that to download apps and stuff. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one here, and I'm gonna log into mine and put in the password now. And now we come to the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and the privacy policy. We publish the Google Terms of Service so that you know what to expect as you use our services. By clicking I agree, you agree to these terms. You are also agreeing to the Google Play Terms of Service to enable discovery and management of apps. And remember, the Google privacy policy describes how Google handles information generated as you use Google services. You can always visit your Google account to take a privacy checkup or adjust the privacy controls. You can say I agree or don't add this account now. If you don't add this account now, you just won't have a Google account on your phone. Google services, use basic device backup, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. If you turn off the location, then the allow scanning will turn off automatically. You can just turn that on and off by itself if the location is on. Then you can click on more and accept. And now we can choose our search engine. And if you click on these little arrows here, you will get some more information about each search engine. And we're going to choose Ecosia now. Plant trees and protect your privacy as you search. Sounds good to me. Next, protect your phone, face recognition, fingerprint, PIN, password, and pattern. You can set up a screen lock now, but we also have a separate video for that, so we're not gonna do that now. Skip anyway. Checking. Next side, access your assistant with Hey Google. If you agree, Google Assistant will wait in standby mode to detect Hey Google. You can set that up now or say skip. Access your assistant without unlocking your device. You can say I agree or skip. Allow assistant to respond when your device is locked. For personal actions like calling and messaging your contacts, say Hey Google so that assistant can recognize your voice. So we'll skip that now. You can totally go ahead and set that up. Review additional apps. You can unselect them all here or, well, keep them selected, whatever you like. We have a few apps here, and then we also have some Google apps that are included already. And then we can say okay, getting your phone ready. And now we have recommended apps. Apps will be downloaded when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Booking.com, Disney Plus. I can't really unselect them. I can just get more information when I click on them. I can just say next. Find your lost phone, sync your apps. So now we come to the Samsung account. We can add our phone number here or email address, say next, or sign in with Google or with a QR code. we're gonna skip this one right now. Skip out on all this. Samsung Cloud, Bixby, Galaxy themes, Find My Mobile. Yep, you can totally go ahead and set that up, of course. Samsung services, continuity service, customization service, nearby device scanning, shares information between Samsung app services and devices to provide a seamless experience, gives you customized stickers, search results, routines, and more by allowing Samsung apps to share information with each other, and helps you connect to nearby wearable devices, mobile accessories, and smart home devices. You can turn that on or off just as you like and then say I agree. We can now choose the light theme or the dark theme. Apps, notifications, and other content will appear light or dark depending on which one you choose. So you can now go ahead, choose whatever you like. I'm gonna go with the light theme for now and say next. You're all set up. Finish or explore the Galaxy. We say finish. Discover and install great apps. So we can now continue or say later. Exit app setup. Are you sure you want to postpone setting up your new device apps? Yes. A bit tricky that the yes was just grey and not blue like the no, so it appears like we can press yes. So that's tricky, but okay, get that. So now this is our home screen. We are pretty much set up and you can now go ahead and customize it further. So that was the initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.